My good people, thank Baba God for another day. Baba God don still allow us see. My yarnings today na about this our safety. Of a truth, make we dey very careful. As they talk and say na anytime we dey, at the same time everybody just dey desperate to make the money. So they no you really care how they think they make the money. So I want at this junction so our parents and guardian want to use that beg. I beg, if you know say maybe you dey your shop, you dey your house, you understand, as you open shop for money, your pikin go run come out go dey play. At least if you pikin dey play, try dey monitor that pikin, try dey put eye for the pikin. At the same time, so if you dey do your work, maybe your pikin don comot for like 1 minute, you know why use that sign, you know why hear a voice, I beg, go find her for where he play, go make you carry am come store, carry am come house. Because things dey happen, oh, things really dey happen for outside. That side no good, oh, make we no lie to ourselves. Outside no just good at all. The way people dey do things, the way children take dey miss, no be good thing, oh, my people, no be good thing. Truth no say me person no talk am. So as much as possible, no be every time wey be say we just see money. No say some of us, once we just dey that money mood, we go just forget every other thing we dey do. We go just say, customer don come, oh, you go forget your children. No, I beg, if you don't reach like 1 minute, I no wan hear my pikin voice, so I no wan say I leave the air. Say I beg, madam dey come, oh, brother dey come, I wan find my pikin. Carry am come, make you dey see am. No be say some of una your dey 2 hours, your pikin go play comot. Most of una get child, una no go even wear pants. If pikin go your play go north, you go dey south, you go forget say your pikin don play comot. You no go wear pikin pants, you go dey use ordinary nyash take dey waka town. People wicked, the wickedness of the world now, e dey highest. Now everybody just be like say 90% of us just throw away our conscience. I want your money. So people don't really care the process of how the money take come. They won't just make am. So I beg, make we exercise caution for anything we dey do. Make we dey very careful for what we dey do. So as much as possible, because most time all these children no be their fault. They'll use biscuit to entice them, use anything to entice them. So as much as possible, as parents, as guardian, if pikin dey your care, I beg they look am. They look am. I see they talk am again. If you dey your shop, if you know why hear your pikin voice, maybe he play comot with his friends for outside, maybe he go the next shop, or he play. If you know why hear a voice, say talk. You know what, say 1 minute don't go. No wait for 2 minutes. Go find am. Because I no go lie, outside no good. Things they happen. Things they happen because story when I dey hear no be story when it good. So my people, I beg, make una no miss this opportunity, oh. Make una no miss this kind of idea when I bring come. I beg, I dey beg una. Outside no just good this period. My people, make una enter comment section. More una see drop ideas, more ideas, more una see no, so that people go see read, people go see no. My people, make una no see forget to, as I dey talk always, make una like, make una subscribe. And this update, so people, other people they may need to hear and una see share am. And that bell, una no forget to ring am. My people, una do.